Hi, our adventure begins early today. It's 7 a.m. in the morning, and our village prince is taking me to the jungle again to get some mushroom. So enjoy this adventure again. Par tali pa ba bo. Te oh dogo vai po pa tali pin khai kepa ba ga me. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho. Ho ho. We are still not sure if the mushroom is sprouting or not. We will see our luck. Wish me luck. Ho ho ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho. Ho 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 ho. Got scared of the camera. What I'm gonna show you right now will mesmerize you. Look at it. Whoa. A beautiful pond. Big pond in the jungle. Doje. We call this pond as Doje. Looks such a beautiful landscape. There's a cliff right there. And we call that cliff as Kaurachapi. That's a squirrel squeaking. That says that we're already in the jungle. In the dense, thick jungle. Let's get the better view from here. See. Whew. Such a beautiful morning to begin the day with. Can't ask for more. Wow, so refreshing, so thrilling. Woo! Hurry! While I was enjoying the serene beauty of nature, I've lost my prince. I mean, he has left me. I'm gonna put back my jacket because we are starting to go deep into the jungle. Oh, so pate. Oh. This journey is more tough than the slippery, more tough than the previous one, the previous video. We have been climbing up this uphill for a while now with just a cup of tea early in the morning. Kelamibu. Eh? So close already, it seems. I can take that in. spotting all over here. Huh? He's worried that it might not sprout. Bang ao bộ biểu ba lại một variety đó sao? Lớp kỳ phụ đi á, lớp đại phụ đi á. Hay nào? Ý, đây đi bỏ đây. That's not the main spot. Main spot here, nó bảo với lại. Thế bộ. Look at it, guys. Where are you going, bro? Look at the size of it. Look. Ooh, the size. Hey, don't go. I hate you. I hate you. Another one. Whee! Gotta run from here. Gotta run. Bia, Hana. Bong mo ma lima. Hai ko ba la bo mo go. Ha. This is pop cái ngôi này kìa. Hai đầu bị bắt cái vậy chứ nào. Hai bắp đó. Hô bắt cái vậy thì mình sao? Cái này photo ngồi lại.
하나 눈이 해 눈이 되게 되냐. 얘 눈이 되면 하라라 포우리 돼.
Tại liên ta ra chỉ số ngó mẹ nè. Ole ho. Go re. Salah. Jangan dole na. Jangan dole balik. Sapo vi pango ko dia. Oh. Interesting soalnya kayak dia. Ini ada sama tak ada dia. Mana? Ha. Dah macam apa sana? Sih tidak ada. Dia tak kamu dulu. Sudah ada nak. Kau tengok dia beda ayat bercuci baca. Stinging plant है sting से जो कर रहा है वो हो पैसा वे हो số này tới nè ha hả giống mà nè giống mà giờ có bầu không ho ngáp rồi ô vào lên chưa đây ho vào chưa cả búp了cả ngáp rồi起来呢，你准备完的，很舒服。 Chicha, chicha. That feeling right there. I feel like a real cowboy. Cowboy! Mamas, don't let your babies grow up to be cowboys. Well, guys, we are heading back home now, empty-handed. We didn't get the mushroom we wanted, but it's all right. It's just a lesson for us. Like, we don't always get what we want in life, but we must never stop going forward. That's the takeaway for this morning video. Like this mushroom, it didn't come out today. Maybe it was not his time. Same case with our life. We have our own time. We have our own time to shine. God has planned a perfect timing for us. So we shall wait upon his perfect time. But we shall always continue to move on, continue to move forward. Well, we shall also move forward with another adventure in next video. If you kinda vibe into this kind of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. Give a like to this video as well. I will end the video from here, and we shall meet again in the next video. Until then, you guys take care. See you in the next one. Bye.